Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to do some, like you can see, I have my headphones on, so a little playlist and a little book review on the playlist. So let's just begin. Come on in. Let's go. So the first song that I want to talk about is "Messy" by Lola Young. Yeah, let's listen to it and then dive into the book review. 'Cause I'm too messy, I'm too fucking clean. So make it a job and so yeah, this song reminds me of this particular book. Okay, I recently read it, and this song screams that book. This is the Wedding People, from a woman who wants to commit suicide to a woman who's fallen in love. It's a big transition in in the whole book, and it's funny how people you don't know in your journey sometimes just bond with you, and you really kind of connect with them. So this is that kind of book and you love it. It's a short read and it's more of like it gives you a nice summer vibe. I'm not going to give away a lot of things about this, but yeah, it's a damn good book, and Messy is that one song that resonates with it. So yeah, listen to the music and go with the book. Bitch, I said what I said. Book that goes perfectly with Painted Town Red is Intemperance by Sonara Jha. Okay, this book is is about a woman who wants to get remarried at matlab, she thinks about getting remarried at 55, and on her 55th birthday, and the train of events that happened with it is just mind blowing. Okay, and this is not just the usual kind of getting married kind of a thing. It is more of like, she wants to have a big ass swayamvar. So, and how I like women who kind of rewrite their own futures. I like women who stand up and they are out and about, and they are chasing themselves for this one thing. In between all the odds, they are fighting towards getting what they want the most. So Swayamvar and Intemperance is just the kind of book that screams Paint the Town Red by Doja Cat. Dive into the book. Yeah. So Lover Girl specifically screams ugly love for me. Okay. By Colin Hoover. This book, come on, it's that perfect kind of love where you fall for the wrong kind of guy, and then what happens next is just that intense, jaw-dropping love. And yeah, this book is that. It's a scream in your head, that don't go for that guy, don't go for that guy, and you go for that guy, and that is ugly love for you. And this song is just apt for it. Like, I mean, lover girl, ugly girl. It's called Ugly Love. Oh, what a curse to be a lover girl. That is this. Sorry about the noise. They are playing cricket on a Sunday, and that's the usual kind of day in an Indian household for men because they are useless. Yeah. No, let's just cut that part. At the end of this book, you will be like, oh my god, what have I read? And what kind of love is this? Yeah, and I mean, sometimes you hate things, but you also love them. So this is that kind of book, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed today's review. It is pretty short. I'm trying to keep it very short and not explain the books in throughout because it just gets too big for people to understand. Plus, welcome to my green room. I'm thinking of repainting into pink because it was initially a pink room. This was my old room where I used to bunk in. Yeah, but I don't now. Yeah, so yeah, hi, bye now. Okay, I will see you next time, and I hope you enjoyed my book review. I'll see you. I want to do a TBR kind of a video as well. So let's see for the next video we can do that. Yeah, see you. Bye. 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 Go listen to my playlist and read some books. Bye. Guys, you need to taste this.